What is your name?
My name is Pippen.
Huh?
My name is Pippen.
Pipian. And what about you? What is your name?
My name is Chandela.
Tanjino. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
This is my bag. Hello, Guida. Hello. And guys, to church I say, this is the church. The library is green, eh? For a while. Hi guys, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So guys, moi achido halido itia kute ase kulido new Changsü de ase anja Wokha District na. No moi dia kiba ekta kam kane bulai ne. So ekta brother la kore aine ase. Do moi view kan bi dikhai wo am kan ni na. And flowers kan bi ma ba maintain kore ase so we itu ase room aro itu kitchen aro sabi niche de do rasta ase New Changsü Baptist Church. So guys, moi yade New Changsü Baptist Church there. Ahine se yede phale. So guys, sorry to flowers can be mom power maintain green ase. Look at this, guys. Balas nanti na. Ita Aisha. Good night. Hey. So guys, this is neighboring la for us do to. Bal of the nature na. Sorry guys, it will be sunflower pot. So guys, my brother gave it dikhai do na. The brother they do as de. Tai de pat kan pakai sa guys na. Kun hoi guys le tai kilo de pakai ne khau le kwa se. To tala kitchen kan de to as de guys na. Sorry. Ja tu pakai se pat na. So bahar view kan lo mai dikhai dishe. Hi. So actually guys, I came here for some purpose. Kam to khatam ho jase. So guys, tai ki pakai se sabi to. The pakai se aur yate bhat. Oi tia bhat kaule se guys itu to boil ase aur itu deer na. Deer pakai ne ase aur itu to chutney ase. So khai lo guys moi na no. So guys, moi back ja ase aro New Changsü na. Aro the old Changsü de sati dujon ase ta kebi ta jungebi lokre ne wapas korabo. To thik ase, stay tuned. Untuk dalam di sekolahnya pandai kok. Kok sempang